Sumpah ya, kemarin tuh aku ketemu di Dar. Ya, ya, pemuda. Is. Rusak dia. Iya lo, maaf lo, orang nggak sengaja. Siapa suruh kaget. Nggak bisa dia lo hidup lagi. Ganti nih, ganti. Orang aku kan nggak sengaja. Kamu siapa suruh jatuhin? Nggak bisa deh. Jahat Tono. Putri. Maaf Putri. Putri. Bunur, saya mau pada dan dipecat dari sekolah ini.
Welcome to episode 8 of Salads That Don't
Saya, Dik
Suck.
Feli.
Today we're making sun-dried
Ada apa ini? Pelan-pelan dong ngomongnya. Pak Dada, buat mobil saya yang harganya miliaran jadi lecet gara-gara dia nggak fokus kerjanya. Apa tuh? Si Feli mau Pak Dadang dipecat dari sekolah ini. Kok tega banget? Emang lecet banget mobil kamu, Feli. Banget, Bu. Dan itu harga servisnya bisa ratusan juta. Karena mobil saya itu harganya miliaran, Bu. Bu Nur, lecetnya itu cuma setitik aja, Bu Nur. Tadi saya diam, Pak Dadang.
Let's make crispy sesame tofu. To start off with, combine soy sauce, maple syrup, boiling sweet and oil, sesame oil, black pepper, and green onions into a bowl. Mix well and set this aside for later. Grab a block of firm tofu. We don't need to press it for this recipe, so go ahead and slice it into rectangles. Add a layer of cornstarch onto a large plate and lightly coat your tofu pieces and dust off any excess. Now you want to heat up some oil in a large frying pan over medium-high heat. Once the pan's nice and hot, add in your tofu slices and cook on both sides until golden and crispy. Once cooked, turn the heat down to low and pour in your sauce. Toss until the tofu is more tender and sauce has reduced. Now that your tofu is ready, serve it with a bowl of rice, garnish with sesame seeds and green onions. I also like to enjoy it with some cucumber on the side for an extra crunch. Look at how amazing that tofu looks. It's an absolute staple for me and I know you'll love it too. Enjoy! If there's one meal that feels like a feast,
Si Feli, banget sih dia baru jadi sultan. Pokoknya saya mau Pak Dadang dipecat dari sekolah ini. Jangan pecat Pak Dadang.
I prefer when mine has some texture and isn't just completely mush, but you do. Now congee is never.
Kamu nggak usah ikut campur ya, Put. Mobilku itu dilecetin sama Pak Dadang, dan Pak Dadang itu harus menanggung akibatnya. Pak Dadang emang salah, tapi kamu nggak seharusnya giniin Pak Dadang. Pak Dadang udah ngasih tahu alasan kenapa dia bisa nggak fokus.
But you know what I love? So I get vanilla ice cream and I put olive oil on it and sea salt. I don't know, so many people that I've showed it to, I've brought to the dark side.
Tembus ratusan juta. Pak Dadang tuh emang harus dipecat karena dia nggak bakal bisa ganti rugi mobilku. Mobilmu udah dibawa ke tempat servis sama bodyguardmu. Emangnya bodyguard punya duit untuk servis? Aku yang kasih duit.
Here's how to turn a can of butter beans into a delicious high-protein snack. They're perfectly crispy on the outside, yet soft and pillowy on the inside. Simply drain and dry your butter beans, then toss them with olive oil, herbs, spices, salt, and pepper. Air fry at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes or until golden and crispy. That's it. You just made the perfect savory snack or salad topper. Enjoy! Here's a silken tofu recipe that will impress anyone. Silken tofu is one of those ingredients that I always have in the fridge. I love it because it requires little to no prep. Instead, the effort goes into making a simple sauce to pair with. Usually, I don't even
Makanya
cook the
Putri
sauce,
beliin
but trust
rumah
me,
untuk Pak
this one you
Dadang.
have to
Biar Pak
try.
Dadang nggak
It's a
bingung
garlic
tinggal
ginger
di mana
sugar soy
lagi.
sauce and it's life-changing. You can
Ya
actually
ampun.
serve this cold straight out of
Makasih
the pot,
banyak
or
nih,
if you
Putri.
want, you can heat it up.
Makasih
So
banyak.
either way, pour over all of that chunky fragrant sauce and garnish that baby up. Give this one a go and thank me later. This isn't meat, it's tofu. But don't be fooled, it's damn delicious. Welcome back to High Protein Vegan. For episode 6, we're making tofu minced rice bowls. Start with a block of extra firm tofu and crumble it until it becomes a mince-like texture. Now you don't have to bake it first, but I like like doing this step because it gives the tofu a chewier texture instead of it being soft all the way through. Once you've got these lightly golden crumbles, fry up some garlic and ginger, then add in your sauce and tofu. Stir well and cook until everything's well coated. You can also add an extra splash of water if you want it to be saucier. Now spoon the tofu mince over rice, add some greens, garnish and dig in. Honestly, this is one of my favorite ways to enjoy tofu, so if you're after a delicious protein-packed meal, this one's for you. Enjoy! I recently went to Melbourne and I'm telling you, out of all of the places I ate at, this vegan Vietnamese restaurant was by far the highlight of my trip. I'm not even kidding. The salt and pepper tofu was so delicious, but the absolute star of the meal was the bún bò Huế. I grew up eating bún bò Huế since I was a kid, and this vegan version fully hit the spot. I'm telling you, I was in absolute food heaven, and I'd go back to Melbourne just to eat this all over again. Of course, I also had to go get the Viet iced coffee, and my god was it amazing. If you live in Melbourne, you need to go eat everything on my behalf. This is at Huong Viet in Footscray.
Aduh, omongan Feli. Sabar aja, Reksa. Yang penting kita masih dikasih duit sama Feli. Mana nih Putri, kok lama banget sih dia datangnya? Iya, padahal udah naik helikopter ke sekolah. Kok masih lebih cepat kita sih? Helikopternya abal-abal kali. Apaan sih, Fel? Kamu gak diajar ya, Fel? Siapa juga yang mau diajar sama rakyat jelata kayak kalian? Kamu ngapain sih, Fel? Diem gak jelas di depan sekolah. Mending kamu ke kelas aja sana, belajar tuh biar nilai kamu bagus. Aku diem di sini karena aku lagi nungguin calon pangeranku, yaitu King Wijaya. King, pangeranmu. Fel, kalau halu gak usah ketinggian, Fel. King itu lo gak mau sama kamu. Ngapain gak mau? Asal kalian tahu ya, aku itu adalah sultan tercantik dan elegan di SD negeri swasta. Semua orang itu mau sama aku. Kalian lihat aja ya, sebentar lagi King bakal jatuh cinta sama aku. Jijikan banget sih, Feli. Fel, kayaknya kamu terlalu berlebihan deh, Fel. Iya, Fel. Kamu jangan terlalu kepedean kayak gitu juga, Fel. Yes. Apa kalian bilang? Kenapa kalian malah ngatur-ngatur aku? Maaf, Fel. Bener ya? Orang rendahan kayak kalian mana ngerti pemikiran sultan kayak aku. Mending kalian diem deh, atau aku bakal tantrum ke kalian. Jahat banget deh Feli sama teman-temannya. Dia mah semua orang emang jahat, Sar. Gis, masih King? Kenapa dia lama banget datangnya? Akhirnya Putri datang. Sultan itu kayak gitu dong, Fel. Naik helikopter ke sekolah. Oh iya, kamu kan sultan abal-abal, Fel. Yes. Yang penting, aku itu bisa deket sama King. Emangnya Putri bisa deket sama King? Dia lo jelek, mana bisa dia deket King? King sama Putri, kenapa mereka bisa datang barengan? Put, kok kamu bisa datang barengan sama King? Kak, kalian berangkat bareng ke sekolah? Ya, kita berangkat ke sekolah bareng. Cie, lucu banget deh. Sari, Jessica diem nggak? Malu tahu. Kenapa King bisa berangkat sekolah bareng sama Putri Sultan abal-abal itu? Dia itu harusnya berangkat bareng sama aku. Ada yang tantrum tuh, Jess, gara-gara ngeliat Putri datang barengan sama King. Kasihan deh Feli, niatnya deketin King. Kingnya malah lebih dekat sama Putri. Kasihan deh, gak laku. Ini